Simon here from Perfect Pools. We are back at a job here in Brackenfell. Sorry, there's a bit of a tight squeeze here. Sorry, the guys are busy with a thing here. But let's have a look. Okay, I'm going to leave the guys to carry on working, but we are taking this pool out, and then we're obviously going to put in a new pool. Guys are busy with the demolition here. And we're going to putting the pool down there right behind me. And we should be able to bring them over the wall from that side, but I'll show you that in a day or two's time when the pool arrives. But for now, that is it. A brand new pool being installed here in Brackenfell. Just a last look at the before. Boom. Okay. Until next time, I'll see you again. Probably tomorrow when we're a bit further down the road. Until then, see you. Bye. Simon here, Perfect Pools. Well, bit of a problem here today because the pool we're installing has got a huge amount of water underground. So we had to make some arrangements. And number one of it is getting water brought in. Yeah, we have to bring water in from outside because the water from the underground is actually pushing up a lot faster than what we can fill the pool. So that's obviously a big problem. Sorry guys. And that is holding us back quite a bit. Pool was in already, everything was fine. However, when we got back here, then following morning, the whole pool has lifted above ground because of that. So we had to move it out, level again, which is what we're busy with now. And then we're gonna put it back in, level it, and put a lot of water in very quickly in order to get the pool right. Here's what it's looking at the moment. Anyway, so that's it for now. I will keep you in the loop, but until then, let me go sort this out. Until next time, bye. Okay, we're back here at the job. We're doing handover and the pool is finished. And this is what we are working with. Okay, until next time, we'll see you again. Customer's gonna do some decking around the pool. But for now, we are done. Customer's super happy. And until next time, see you. Remember, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and check us out on all the social media channels. From my side, until next time, bye.